First, open the machine cabinet door. Fill the water tank. Turn clockwise to start the machine. The screen displays the value and then press the spindle start key. Use this button to adjust the spindle speed. Tool changing operation. First, loosen the screw. Then turn the wheel to lower the polishing knife. Put a small wrench on the bottom shaft. Rotate to this position. Place the large wrench on the upper screw position. Turn the screw counterclockwise. Remove the tool holder and replace the tool. Polishing angle adjustment. Loosen the 4 screws. Rotate the hand wheel to the required degree. Feeding device setting. Install the handle on the robotic arm. Rotate the button to control the feeding speed. Click the button to control forward and backward. Feed height is 2 to 3 mm lower than the material. Specific operation steps. Feed height adjustment. Loosen the fixing screw and rotate the lifting rod to control the height. Feeding front and rear spacing adjustment. Adjust by loosening the upper screw. The width of the feed port should be greater than the width of the material port. The recommended error is about 2 mm. Positioning plate spacing adjustment.